you using this techniques, it really help and ensure the crystal will stay and last on so long, at least 3 weeks, if not longer. So I blend all that condensed glue gels. It's really thick density. If you're first time using it, don't hesitate to blend it nicely. So we have a lot of questions. Was like, it's supposed to be thick like this, and yes, it is, because then the formula is thick like that. So then that way it really hold the crystal flat back 3D and charm chain down really well. So no white top coat again. So I have the lids off because I'm always using this and floating it on the top. I was like, you want to see the diamond dust pixies on all inside the nails, so you want to see the diamond dust pixie just on the half of it. Can I see the tray? I'm using some special shape. Oh, you know, I got this right on my size. I'm gonna do half of the nails. How about that? All right. It's the theme. I've been using a lot of this. Place them tight together. If you do a random mix, you don't have to worry what colors you're going to unless you place them. I love the look of it. It just sparkle enough. It's like it's an unicorn's like crystal. I want a tiny little one. And if you see the techniques that I'm sharing, I'm placing them tight together. It looks so beautiful by itself already too, you know. You can place some of your gold beads in here and it make it look so stunning. So I would do, if you're doing a rose gold, the gold beads, I put some gold beads on it. It looks so beautiful. But also if you want to do some diamond dust pixie on it, let's do some diamond dust pixie on that one. I am going to do, let's open this one. Now that one, but I also have that one. I can do this one on the bottom. Oh, they're so pretty. Tap it so then all of the excess diamond dust pixie will falling down. So great. can you put this on? Oh, and I need that tray again. I have another tray. I am going to using another Diamond Dust Pixie, which is, I need to write it down like Sarah said, great idea. So she had it, I have it in a box, but I took the box off. So I'm gonna do this one on the end. Great. So there are two different Pixie on this one, everyone. It looks really nice ombre. I think it's just number 2 pink and white ombre Diamond Dust Pixie, and number 3 what number is it? I need to write it down. Is I'll pull it out and I'll show you what the name of it. I have whole entire trays of collection here. So if you're happy with this here, I did try to make sure they all compact and tight together, all the tiny little Pixie, and then make sure you tap it so then they can stay nicely on. All right, so here for 60 seconds, everyone. If you want to put some AB in between, is great, but then it's already have with Diamond Dust Pixie like a grapes in there. So here for 60 seconds. Just a great night tonight. I feel like I haven't left yet. I was like doing for a couple hours. Tomorrow we'll do a different Diamond Dust Pixie. And maybe tomorrow we're doing it on the practice hand, and I'll show all of you who can do an Easter theme tomorrow. Let me know. Hey, thanks so much, Nuna. And last one, we are going to do a chamfer foil. And with this, I want to share with you with elastics rose gold. And we have this collection of chamfer foil, number 21. Maybe we can do, that looks good. I don't know, they're all pretty. So move on to this one. Again, I am going to double secure. This is important because when Diamond Dust Pixie is really simple to do, like you just sprinkle it in and pour it in, is quite good, but sometimes it can be a little bit issue or troubleshooting, like all of the crystal gonna falling off, you know, because it looks easy to place on, but it didn't get really attached tight to it. So I'm going to every single crystal to mix. I don't squeeze anything yet. I'm just doing a little exam right here. I feel so scratchy right here, the edges, and feel right in, if you feel that, because that's gonna catch in the hair, scarf, or anything. Great. And I'm going completely on all the outsides and all the edges of the nails. I don't know, the tip. It's getting all in there to make sure. Great. Now I am gonna put it back in the LED lamp for about 60 seconds, and this nail will be completely done. Hey Jenny, how are you? Facebook, thank you Facebook for sharing. Hey Tony. Hey Danielle. Mylene. Now I got to see Facebook, so I want to say hi to everybody. Great, so move on to this one. We are going to do some cute chamfer foil, and this is, we probably, because it's such a really good background, I'm gonna choose this because it has some greens and blues, so it might contrast really good with my colors that I'm pick. I have a coral, colors, so you want something that's contrast, let's try that, because we did this one before. We did several of them, and also Sarah did so many beautiful of them as well. So let's do something different for today. Look at that. Like, I was thinking if you want just that, you know, bouquets right here, you can trim that and place them on. But let's see how we'll place them, whole entire nails, how it's gonna turn out. So this is the final looks for this beautiful nails.